Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll diving into the latest individualization program for the Mercedes-Benz E220D by Brabus. So this program proves that a family car does not have to be boring, so let's explore how Brabus transformed the E220D into a thrilling ride for the whole family. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class has been always synonymous with luxury and comfort, but with Brabus' latest individualization program, it gets a performance and style upgrade that's anything but ordinary. Regarding the exterior, the Brabus front spoiler not only gives the car a striking appearance, but also minimized lift on the front axle. Also, the beautiful 21-inch Brabus Monoblock Z Platinum Edition 10-spoke rims with Continental Sport Contact 7 tires, measuring 255/35 ZR21 at the front and 285/30 ZR21 at the rear, ensure an unmistakable look and maximum exclusivity. Regarding the powertrain, Brabus also boosts the E220D performance. The Brabus Power Extra D22 module increased the peak power from the stock 197 horsepower to 230 horsepower and a maximum torque of 480 Nm. This upgrade enhanced both speed and efficiency, making your drive more exciting. Despite these sporty upgrades, the E220D remains a perfect family car with advanced driver assistance systems, spacious interior and ample cargo space. So if you thought a family car had to be boring, think again. With Brabus individualization program, the Mercedes-Benz E220D combines luxury, performance and practicality in a way that's sure to excite every family member. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.